And welcome, guys, to another market outlook brought to you by Lit Capital. I'm your host, Jacob. Usually we do this on a Sunday. It is normally Sunday sets, but it's actually a Monday afternoon. We actually wasn't able to bring you a Sunday setup. So now we're just filling it in and making sure you do have something to tune in for the week ahead. As normal, though, before we do get into it, if you haven't already, guys, please check out www.litcapital.co.uk if you're interested in taking your trading to the next level with us. We have a code on right now. Lockdown 2020 is still going strong, so we are actually doing 50% discount on most of our services. So just go to the courses page, check that out. If you haven't already as well, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube so we can bring more content like this for you guys. So before we get into it, I'm just going to check out the economic calendar for you guys. That's what we normally start with, excuse me. What we normally start with here in regards to how the outlook is setting up for the week. We look to see what news events we can kind of feed off. So Monday, as we've seen, there hasn't really been anything capturing our attention. So in regards to news events coming out this week, so no real booster there. So we're just going to let the market look how it looks. Heading into Tuesday, we have some unemployment rate, 3-month unemployment rate for the UK. That could give us a little bit of a surge on the pound. Then Wednesday, we have some NZD interest rates decisions, which is always an event to look out for in regards to there being some type of high impact result from that. So yes, it's 3 a.m. in the morning, but it then gears us up for the London session. So definitely tune in for that. And then we also have some GDP for the UK coming into the German Frankfurt Open, which is 7 a.m. Excuse me. So that could gear us up for some movement on the pound as well. Later on in the afternoon on Wednesday, we have some CPI for America, for the US. So that's all we have in regards to high impact news. Only other thing that really sticks out is the crude oil stock exchange, stocks change, excuse me. If you are an oil trader, then yeah, it could give you a bit of a reaction from that also. Thursday, unemployment rate for the Aussie. Again, 2:30 in the morning, but it then sets us up for the morning going into pre-London session. So Aussie, New Zealand, something to really watch out for in regards to maybe getting some volatility on those pairs. And then going into Friday the 14th, we have some GDP for the Euro and the Swiss. And we also have retail sales for the US. So not as jam-packed in regard to what we're normally used to in terms of news events, but there are some things to definitely look out for, and then see how it's going to affect your chart. So I'm going to head over to the charts now, and as usual, we'll start with the DXY. Just giving you a forecast on what we kind of expect to happen with the DXY. So last week, we did show this area above that we were kind of interested in terms of getting a retest in. We didn't get it, and we actually headed lower yesterday. So with that being said, we could get a move back up to this area. I'm not ruling it out. I still think it's possible because now that we've actually got this new low, and then we kind of had a surge once we got to this area of the 92.50, and then we never got a new low. We never actually broke lower there. So for me, it could be wanting to retest higher before maybe having a reaction and coming down. We did think NFP, non-farm payroll, was going to give us that reaction on the Friday, but it didn't. It did, however, boost, but it never boosted in terms of where we had projected. So coming into the Monday, we do see that price could maybe retrace a tiny bit and then climb higher. So just looking on the 1 hour, we could have a bit of a retracement lower before actually heading to that 4-hour area. But do bear in mind, we are still overall bearish on the dollar. There is a lot more room for this to actually continue down. Just going into the monthly time frame, I kind of said that we could get back down to like the 91.90 zone. So definitely stay in tune with that, but we could see a bit of a push higher to that 4-hour area. So we'll have to just wait and see with that one. So then going over the majors, and we kind of gave some trades out and some setups for this last week. And coming into Monday now, they have actually given us that push into our area that we was interested in. So Aussie, it's given us a bit of a reaction in terms of we can see some buying pressure here. So we're going to see how the afternoon pans out, if we can actually get a move back up to the 72 before eventually climbing to the 72,500. But that does again depend on what the DXY wants to do. But so far so good. We have had a reaction in our zone, which could give us the move back up to the 72 whole level. Also, we have Euro USD. This was actually called on Friday in our charts and copy trading channel. So far, it's pushed back into our area of where we had an imbalance in the smaller time frame, and we was actually playing off the last candle here. So it's kind of pushed into it. It's filled majority of it. There is a bit of a tiny bit of a gap left in regards to what it didn't fill, but you know, overall, it's had a good reaction from this area as well. Again, depending on what the DXY wants to do, we could see a push from this area. So those trades are actually still active from Friday, as well as GBP USD as well. So definitely having some good reactions off of these areas. All of these setups were given. Right now, we haven't seen a major move, but you know, 40 pip move so far, due to put stops at break even as well. So again, it would have been better for us to analyze this obviously when the market was closed yesterday, but because we were the team was caught up doing things. I was actually quite under the weather yesterday, so I wasn't actually able to make the call as normal. But just trying to continue this the bullish momentum that we've been having on the pound US as well, where we have this double top forming. So 132 is still our overall target that we would like to see achieved. Whether it's done today, I'm not sure. We've still got the whole of the week to get through. And we do have some news out regarding the UK and US. So happy with what we're seeing so far in terms of reactions. And if we are to add more charts and add more setups throughout the week, if you're not in our Discord channel, please check out our website and contact us so we can give you the access to that. So you'll be able to catch these moves before they actually, you know, set off and whatnot. So that's all I really have for you guys today. We're just continuing on and following on for what we kind of saw last week, and gaining the entries on this Monday today. So whether we can get the move up now, again, watch the DXY closely, because if it does gain strength, then we might see a pullback lower. But overall, kind of happy with how the market structure, what the market structure is showing us. So it's having reactions from these areas, which is it can do. So hopefully we can get some bullish momentum to the 132 key level before reassessing again. So yeah, pretty much done, guys. Please like and subscribe this video if you found this video useful. Hit us up on litcapital.co.uk. If you have any inquiries about trading, or you have any inquiries regarding our copy trading services, or anything trading related, we'd be happy to answer your questions. Remember, guys, every day is money day. Peace.